On today's episode of Digital Champions, I'm talking about how to use video to recruit caregivers. My name is Nick Bonatadabis, and this is Digital Champions, the show about helping you master the digital marketing world. The first thing to understand when it comes to using video to attract caregivers is understanding that there are different types of caregivers that you're looking to attract. For example, one may be that they work for another company. So in this case, they may be unhappy with their current position, whether it be how well they're treated or how well they're paid, those things of sort. And so understanding that some people may be coming from another company. So one way to attract this audience in understanding that they may be looking for other opportunities is creating a recruitment video where your caregivers specifically talk about how awesome your company is. So versus you saying, hey, we have positions, well, they have a job. So we want to make sure that we are selling our business so much so that they're like, wow, I need to learn more about this company because their caregivers are happy. And so by creating a recruitment video where your top caregivers or a bunch of your caregivers are talking about how awesome your company is, that's going to sell them in such a greater manner than it would if you were to just say how awesome it is. But understanding that this is the audience, that they may be working for another company at the time, and that you're looking to pull them in and have them work for you because you're a better agency to work for. And so the more that we can create a video around this and understanding this is who we're talking to, the better results that you're going to get. Another example of somebody could be someone that has no experience and doesn't even know what caregiving is. And so it's so important that when we're marketing for caregivers that we understand these are two very different audiences that are going to deserve different, that are going to need different messaging. And so an example that could be beneficial for somebody with no experience is a video of you talking about all the benefits of being a caregiver. You may even go into, hey, you don't need to have any experience to work with us. You may even have opportunities where you can offer scholarships for them to get CNA training as long as they work for you for a certain time period. So all of these things can be super beneficial, but if you were to talk to somebody who already is a CNA and already has a job, then that messaging is not going to work. And so understanding that having different messaging for the different audiences and different videos is going to be super beneficial to attract those people that we want to attract, where they're thinking to themselves, oh, this is for me. This is what I want to hear. This is beneficial for me. The same way that I'm talking to you right now as a home care business, it's specific for you. And so we want to make sure that we're doing the same thing when we're talking to our caregivers, that we're specifically talking directly to them. Another example of this is that they may be working to become a nurse. And so now we're targeting specific people that are looking to get to a certain level. Now this could also be, they may be looking to become a CNA and maybe they're only an NA, right now. And so by understanding that, we can create messaging around that being a caregiver is a great way to get experience to becoming a nurse on your journey. So this way we're now attracting people that may be students, college students, that are looking for career opportunities to get experience before they get into the job force, before they finish their schooling. So again, this is a great pool if you're going to colleges and targeting certain people from that degree before they're graduating to get them some experience. So when we understand that there's different types of audiences, we may even direct and have different referral links to wherever we're targeting them. So if we're passing out flyers, for example, that are at schools, we may use this one that are, training to become a nurse, or, people that are looking for a career in this field, and make a video that's on that specific landing page that's taking it right to them. Because the more, again, we need to do more. We know that this is a tough industry. We know how hard with the caregiver crisis that it is to recruit caregivers. So we need to use the best sales tactics in our messaging to communicate with the different types of audiences that are out there and creating content around this to specifically speak to them. And so if you do these things and understand that with all your messaging, and this goes for social media ads that you may be creating as well, or just regular social media posts, I created it as more of like videos, because videos are gonna get you better results in general. So understanding this process, that the more that you use proper messaging with the proper audience, the greater results that you're going to achieve. Are you leveraging the power of social media? When used right, you can use it to attract clients, referral sources, and caregivers. If you want to learn more, I'm hosting a workshop on June 28th where I'm going to teach you everything that you need to stand out online and get results from social media. So if you're ready, go to www.thedigitalchamps.com/workshop and I'll see you there.